It was this project that kicked off my journey in finishing December daily albums. Back in 2021, I was kind of fed up with my state of unfinishedness, and I realized that 2014, 2015, and 2016 had basically nothing done. I might have assembled a few supplies, printed a few photos, but really I didn't do the project at all. I barely even got started. So this was my first attempt at doing a compilation album with multiple years all together, and I'm so proud of how it turned out, because it turns out this was a specific season of life for us where Emily was little, very active, busy, just getting into the holiday season, and there was a lot of similarities in these years. And having it all together shows her growth. It shows this particular time of childhood. And I was able to capture it while not feeling like I needed to be exhaustive about each of those years. I've included more details on how I selected the photos in the blog post that goes along with this video.